Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 21. If m and n are the points minus 3, 8, that is are the coordinates of this point, and 5 minus 7 respectively, find mn, that is find the distance between point m and point n. Now we're given the coordinate of point m to be, so for point m, x is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to 8. Now for point n, x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 7. Now the coordinates of point m, let's term them to be x1, y1, and that of point n to be x2, y2. Now the formula for finding distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points is equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 in bracket square. Now with this is equal to square root of, now x2 here is 5, that is the coordinate, x coordinate of what, n. So we have 5 minus x1 is minus 3, so minus 3 square, then plus y2 is minus 7, minus 7 minus y1 is 8, 8 in bracket square. Now this is equal to the square root of 5 minus minus 3 will give us 8, and 8 square will give us 64. Now minus 7 minus 8 will give us minus 15, and minus 15 square will give us 5. So this is equal to the square root of 64 plus 225 will give us 289, square root of 289, and square root of 289 is equals to 17 units. So the distance between point M and point N is 17 units, and that is option D. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.